Chapter 1. Introducing Kanban. What is Kanban? The original term Kanban refers to a simple scheduling system used to achieve just-in-time, or JIT, delivery of products. Although the Kanban system has more recently become a favorite in the software business, you will learn that its origins lie far beyond the realms of software. Using this system balances the demand of our customers against the very real limits of our workforce. It also allows companies and teams to achieve a finely tuned balance between supply and demand, issues and maintenance, sales and orders. The Kanban system. We first define a workflow, which is specific to our business. We then use a system of priority setting to decide which pieces of work should be tackled first. Following this, we use the concept of a pull system, which means that each item of work is pulled from a queue by whoever is doing the work, as opposed to being pushed onto that person's stack. Work in progress limits are set to avoid overloading any of our workers, and core rules are established and agreed to keep the system in check. Throughout all of this, we constantly refine the system and fine-tune it to improve efficiency. I will explain each of these concepts in more detail, but first, let us understand where this system came from and how it has been proven to work. Origin. Japanese Kanban. The Japanese word Kanban loosely translates to signboard in English. This relates to the signboards that were used to direct people to the shelves to buy products, workers to replenish stock, and eventually companies to order more stock. Toyota first developed this concept in the late 1940s. Although then they were an automobile company, they were keen to learn from other industries such as supermarkets. These studies are what led to the well-known just-in-time concept. Creator of Kanban, Taiichi Ohno, learned that supermarkets achieved efficiency as follows. Customers buy products from the supermarket floor. This signals shop workers to get stock from the stockroom. In turn, this signals the stockroom to order more stock from suppliers. The supplier then replenishes the stockroom. The benefit of this method was, and still is, the supermarket stocks just enough to replenish the shelves. The shelves are only restocked when there is a gap to be filled. The customers always have some of the product available when they need it. As previously mentioned, signboards were used as triggers to signal where the product could be bought and when restocking was necessary. Therefore, the name signboard or Kanban was born, along with a simple system. Origin of Kanban for development. In the development world, Kanban first shot to fame in the form of the method described by David J. Anderson. There is a huge amount on Kanban in his book, Kanban: Successful Evolutionary Change for Your Technology Business. The 5 core properties he describes are: visualize the workflow. This makes it easy to see how work is progressing. Limit work in progress. Therefore, there is a limit to the amount of work in process at any one time, aided by a pull system. Measure and manage flow. This means constant reevaluation of the workflow so we can change it when necessary. Make process and policies explicit, i.e., there should be agreement and consensus on working policies. Use models to recognize improvement opportunities. There should be methods to review and communicate issues with or views on the workflow. Those involved work together to find the best way to move forward using scientific methods.